Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA Ghettovanadventures. I'm going to show you how to replace a master window door switch on a 2006 Honda Accord, and it will work on other Hondas also. Anyway, it's pretty simple. Okay, this has to come out. So you have to get a pry tool. I'm using a knife, but you have to pry between these two spots right here. Just make sure that you get a tool that you're comfortable with, or try and pull up on this to make a little space, because you can end up marking your trim. You have to pop this whole section out here. So what I did, I squeezed here and it just puckered this up. Now I'm using a knife. There is tools to use this because you have a chance of marking this up a little bit. So anyway, I get a knife in here and I just pry it up there. Once that's popped up, I can get underneath it, and now just be gentle because there's tabs in here you don't want to break either, right? There, see? So it's 1, 2, 3, and on the other side, 4 and 5. These are Phillips head screws. They're the ones like the star. So let's get those out. Okay, we got this off. Put this up here. Now, we have to disconnect this right here. So there's a little push tab right here on the harness. You just push this in and then grip the harness, grip this, and pull it apart. It's hard to do with one hand, so I'll do it now and get it apart. So I got it out. It took a good pull. I pushed it right in, it took a good pull. Now you see what the problem was? The window wouldn't work on the driver's side, and the switch just fell apart as I was taking it out. So I know what the problem was. So I got a replacement switch. I'll show it to you now. Here you go. There's the new one. I got that on Amazon. I'll put a link in, but literally this will, well, the wire should just snap in there. That's how easy it snapped in. And now I'm going to reverse everything. I'm going to put it back into here, attach the screws, and it should be up and running. I'll just show it briefly as I'm putting it together too. Now here's one thing I found interesting on the switch. I went to put it back in, and it already had this piece in here, okay? That's this piece. It was attached to the switch via these little tabs. So I just had to gently pry out these tabs and pop this little piece out. But now it should go back together, no problem. You know what? Before I go any further, I'm just gonna turn on the keys and just check to make sure it works. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. So now I can take this, put in. It just goes together like that. Throw the screws back in it. Just like so. I'll do the other screws and I'll throw it back together. There, all the screws are in. So it's just a matter of plopping this back into place and snapping it in. And presto, change-o. So guys, if you have a broken window switch like this one and you're a little afraid to change it on your Honda Accord, it's very simple. Just take your time, just don't drop stuff. You need a pry tool, or, well, I used a knife, but you can buy pry tools cheap. They won't damage your trim and that sort of stuff. But you take your time, pop it out, take the screws out, very easy, unplug it, plug the other one in, reverse the procedure, and it's done. It's real easy, and it can save you a lot of money. These are cheap too on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in so you know what you're looking for. I hope this helped you out, guys. It's so easy to do. Now I gotta put in a new door handle, which is just 2 screws, so